Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's discuss about the block level elements and the in level elements and what are the main differences between them. And uh, actually HTML elements fall into two main categories: block level elements and the inline elements. Block level elements occupies the full width in a browser and starts on a new line. It does not continue before or after the line. It means it impacts the before and after the elements too. Block level elements are that browser automatically adds some space or margin between the elements before and after, and the inline elements flow within the text and only needed if the inline there is a word inline, it occupies up to the inline space only. The main differences between them are block level element starts on a new line, but inline does not start on a new line. It continues in the previous. If the before element was inline, it continues in that line only, does not start on new line, and takes full available width in the browser by the block level, but not in the inline. Width and height work properties of CSS works with only block level and inline elements. If we try to modify block level height and width, it works, but in inline does not modify height and width, and top and bottom margin properties are also work with block level but not in inline. Let me see an example code which demonstrates all the properties and how actually block level and in level works. I have taken two examples, div and span. Div tag is used to divisions, is used to group large amount of content, more than two elements to group. I have written a two div tags and a h2 tag and p header tag and p tag inside the div tag, and I used this style attribute to apply some small inline styles, background color light blue, and the padding. These all properties we further discuss in further classes, just don't worry about those. And HR, which we previously discussed, is horizontal row, and I have written a span tag with the width and height. Let me see how it works. See, in a block, header and the paragraph occupies the color overall the browser width, but in the inline element, color or the element occupies only the particular width of the content only. And I have also applied the width and height to the inline element, but it does not works on the inline. You can see padding is nothing but the space between two elements. It's not about anything. You can see I will remove the padding. See here the full margin width if I maximize also, but inline does not. I will remove the padding property, then you can understand what actually padding also, but don't worry, we further discuss about it. See now it occupies.
Thanks for watching until end of video. Subscribe for more technical content like this.